Hello. So you're here because you're probably having the same issue I had with my Corsair Virtuoso RGB gaming headset. And I found that the mic volume, the mic output, sorry, was just so low. My teammates and stuff when I was playing games couldn't hear me very well. And when I'm streaming, it's a bit too low. I had a little look around and I found this is the same problem with most Corsair headsets, which is super annoying that you have to go and do this. But luckily, it's quite quick and quite easy. So all you need to do first is head over to here. You'll see the link in the description for the download link. Click download. It will pop up in the bottom left. Just wait for that to be done, and it will open up. No, not that. Who uses that? Open up this. I'll show you what it looks like when you open it up, the configurator. You'll see this. So once you've opened up this, ignore playback devices. What we're doing is we're looking for a capture device, as it's a microphone we want to fix, and then select headset microphone. You'll see it there, Corsair Virtuoso and USB gaming headset, and I already have it installed. But when you do click OK, it will prompt you to reboot your PC, so just go ahead and do that and reboot it, and then just come back to your desktop. Voila, this is what you'd be like when you come back in after rebooting. Go into your program files, find the download. It would be, well, for me it's in this PC, C drive, program files, and then equalizer APO, and then you click on config, the little folder at the top. Then you click on the little text file at the top saying config again, and you'll see this. So I'm guessing if you have the same problem as me, you see the decibel preamp would be -6. So let's just put it back to how it originally was, and I'll show you the difference. So all you need to do to change anything is just press file, save, and it should have brought my mic down. Hopefully you can hear that. This is how it was originally. So yeah, a bit low, especially when you're playing sort of fast-paced games and loud games. Your teammates do struggle to hear. I'm going to bring it back to, say, I'm going to really pump it to 20 decibels. I had a little fiddle when I found out 10 or 11 is best, so you see how loud this can go. It's probably a bit too loud now. So I'm going to bring it back down to, say, 11. And I think that's the sweet spot. So that's all you need to do is just save out of there. And yeah, you're done. Yeah, easy peasy. Yeah, thanks Corsair for making us do this. Bloody annoying. You can't do it in here either, because you think, oh, mic volume, you can do that with that. No, max it out, still rubbish. Anyway, thanks guys. Yeah, cheers. Yeah, love you, bye.